I'm absolutely terrified to do this look because it involves black. I hate black. I hate it. Like that. It's actually turning out really cuter than I thought. I did not think I was capable of this. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a cute little neon heart eyeshadow look. I did my base already. I did everything except eyeshadow, mascara, and lashes. Today's look is just based on the eyeshadow look. I'm crazy with the face. Zoom you guys into the eyes. Now that we're all up close and personal, let's get started. I'm absolutely terrified to do this look because it involves black. Me and black do not do well. So I'm going to go into the changeable fantasy palette and take the black. And we're adding that to the lid and smoking it out where the crease is. I want it to be really, really dark on the lid and then like a gray black toward like upwards towards your eyebrow. I hate black. I hate it. Okay, and then I'm going to take the white in the changeable fantasy palette as well and buff out the crease. It doesn't look so harsh. Darken up the lid a little bit more. The Violet Voss All of You Forever palette and take Infinity with an angled brush and make an eyeliner. This look is very dramatic. Now what you're gonna do is where you did your eyeliner, just take it down into your lower lash line, not into the waterline because we're gonna put a different color in there. Now that I look like a scary, take a brush that looks like this, just like a thin brush. And this part is optional, so whatever color you're gonna be doing your neon heart is what color you're going to be doing this. So I'm going to be doing a hot pink today, so I'm going to take the hot pink in the changeable fantasy palette and add that to my waterline. I'm going to take an angled brush, and you can either take concealer or foundation. I'm just going to use the foundation because it's in here. Make sure you don't have a lot because you want it to be really crisp and clean. Make a heart. You will be cleaning these up, so if it looks scary, you're fine. Now that you have a rough draft of where you want it, take the same color that you use for your waterline, which mine's the hot pink. Just go over the concealer or the foundation. It should look something like that. And I'm going to clean up the outline with black. And with the heart, fill in the gap with a baby black heart. Like that. When you get up here to the top, do it very lightly. Like down here where the lid is, you can go dark, but up here, go really light-handed. Find another skinny brush, this brush. I'm gonna take a white creamed base makeup. Halloween makeup is probably the best to do this with. This cream makeup, white, and go in between the pink really, really thinly. It's actually turning out really cuter than I thought. I did not think I was capable of this. Set the white with white eyeshadow. I'm just going over the white with the pink just so the white pops a little more. The black and cleaning up any areas that are not straight. I have no idea what happened with my video, but I'm just going to tell you what I've used for my mascara and lashes. So for mascara, I use this e.l.f. waterproof length volumized mascara in the shade Black Waterproof. And then for lashes, used these ones right here. They're really natural. They're not too dramatic at all either, which is why I pick them. Use this case that I got off of Amazon. The lash glue that I use is this Kiss Strip Adhesive with Aloe. And this is the black one. Okay, the lashes are now on. Now I'm going to do the inner corner, go back into the Violet. I didn't just do that. The Violet Voss I'll Love You Forever palette. I'm going to take Lovebird in Major Spotlight, which is this white shade, this white shimmer shade, and this pinkish champagne shimmer shade, and add that to the inner corner. I'm going to add Wishful and Wink just to add a more pink tone to the LA Colors Lip Duo and add this hot pink lip. Here's the look up close. I think it turned out really cute. I'm very surprised I actually did this. I'm so proud of myself. That's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, hit the subscribe, and also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YT, and my makeup TikTok is Queen Beauty _YT. See you guys next time. Bye.